Welcome to the Cascade model. This beautiful home includes 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a private study, a generous family room with an optional fireplace, an open concept kitchen with a large center island, and an elegant dining area that interacts perfectly with the sliding door out to the terrace. The owner's suite of the Cascade includes a private bathroom retreat with a walk-in shower, a dual sink vanity, and a huge walk-in closet. The optional lower level features an additional bedroom and bathroom, as well as a large recreation room and media room. This incredible new home also features a walk-in laundry room and a drop-in store area off the garage entry, as well as plenty of extra storage and a 2-car garage. For more information on this amazing new home or for directions to any of our premier Minnesota neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.